Yeah, I bought yarn. Let's open it. Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery. I'm so happy you're here today. I love yarn. It's a thing. And I love Hobbii TOUCAN yarn. Not sponsored, not affiliated, just thought I'd throw that out there. I love this yarn. It is one of my favorite chenille yarns on the planet. I did an entire review about it. I will link it in the iCards above or down below in the description box or at the end of this video. There will be 3 places you can find it. So, you know, watch the video. It's good. You also get a free pattern, just saying. So, I bought some toucan yarn because every color was in stock. What? That never happens. Every color was in stock and on sale. I think that's because this sale wasn't like really widely announced, and so I just kind of got lucky, but yeah. Not all of this yarn in here is for me. I do have some box swaps coming up, but a lot of it's for me. Okay, are we ready? Hobbii TOUCAN yarn, yay! Let's open it. Toucan yarn is a 6 bulky. It's 100% polyester. You use a 6mm needle or a 7mm hook. Wash on cold, but do not dry. If you're using it for amigurumi, please spot clean it and set it out to dry. It is 131 yards per skein. I paid about $5, which is incredible, for each of these, and the original price I will put somewhere on the screen, but always look for sales. Hobbii has a lot of them. They also make another version of chenille called Honey Bunny, and are Honey Bunny and Toucan interchangeable? I would say yes and no. Honey Bunny is a teensy bit softer, but can you use them together? Absolutely. It's the same size and they are kind of made of the same make. Definitely, you can use them together. So you actually have more color options. So what colors did I get? Whew. Let's do this. So I have a couple of projects coming up, and I needed this yarn specifically. I'm going to show you the colors, and you get to guess down below. If you think you know what I'm making, please give it a guess. I'd be very shocked if you get it, but also very impressed. So all of the Hobbii yarn has numbers, but I will put the name across the screen so you know what number goes with what color. So this is color 32. It is a very light gray. Very light. And this one had a label explosion, but it's the only one, so we know that this is the correct label. This is number 33. I could have guessed that, 31 or 33. Because this is also in the gray family. Ta-da! I will even show you a comparison so you can see the difference between the two. So I need these 2 colors for my project. I also need red. This is color 15, and I think this one really is called red. Okay, so we've got 2 shades of gray and red. Any guesses? I also need a teensy bit of baby blue and white. So 2 kinds of gray, red, blue, white. Leave your guesses down below. I would love to know if you get it right. I also got color number 9. Very fun orange. This pretty purple is color 18. And I have another purple here, 19. Which purple do you like best? I think I like this one. And I also got this kind of mulberry wine color. This is 26. This really gorgeous green, 29. This is a Christmas green. So pretty. This is color 7. Color 16. And color 13. Woo, how fun.
We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
Now I also got some of the Hobbii Halloween yarns, of course. The Halloween Honey Bunny Candy. Yeah. So this says this is 85% polyester, 15% polyamide, 131 yards, just like the toucan. 6 bulky, same 6mm needle, 7mm hook. And again, you can wash it on cold, but don't dry it. Oh, how fun. So this is color 3. Color 1. Guessing this is 2. 4. What? There were only 3 available. Is there a color that's missing? This is 4. This is 1. And this is 3. There's a color that I don't know if they made it and then got rid of it or if it's sold out, but this was the only one in the pictures. I'm going to find out. If there's another color that maybe is just sold out or something, I'm going to put it up here somewhere so you guys can see. So only a few days ago, the Hobbii app looked like this. And now it looks like this. We have a brand new color. I love this color. Thank you, Hobbii. I really, really, really wanted purple. Yay! This is color 4. What am I going to make with these? I have no idea. Please leave your suggestions down below. I would love to make a fun little Halloween creature, so give me ideas. little yarn haul. I had a lot of fun picking out my colors and deciding which ones I wanted to get. Leave me ideas down below for my fun little Halloween make. What am I gonna make? You guys help me decide. I want it to be a creature though. I want it to be amigurumi and I want it to be a creature. But that could be in anything. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!